It's never in the way when I'm putting stuff in and out of the truck. It's always there when I need it, and that's where I store it. The hydraulic hose works absolutely excellent. The only issue when you're really beating on it, you got this T-handle on here. Anybody that does hydraulic hoses knows those hard hits is almost like an air chisel hammer. When you hit it, it starts to loosen, and every once in a while, you know, let's call it every 15, 20 hits, got to grab a wrench and tighten it back onto the head once in a while, not that often. So years and years ago, when I was an apprentice, I used to split lots of tracks with a track pin driver. There's lots of different designs out there. There's models out there that there's a piece of pipe welded to the end of this, and then that holds the bar through it, and it gives it room to move around, and it takes the vibration out of the handle for the guy hanging onto it. I've seen versions that people weld a piece of cable in here to give it a little bit more flex, but because the cable is so hard, it's a different steel than the handle, the welds break, and then you got to re-weld them and stuff like that. Or you weld the bar straight to the handle and you're vibrating and they break. I took all those ideas, I made this, I designed this. Every track that we do is a different size, from a different model to everything else. So I wanted something that I could put in the service truck that wasn't a solid T. You have 4 different sizes, so you've got 4 of them. They're in the back of your service truck. They're driving you nuts. They're moving around, tripping over them. Didn't want the cable because, again, it's welded, it's solid. The cable breaks. You're out in the field. You got a stick welder trying to weld cable. It absolutely sucks. So I came up with this design. Built it 10 years ago. I came up with the idea. All my service trucks run them. At this moment in time, I don't have a big track pin press. I am going to be purchasing ones for the really tough ones. I just don't like swinging this 20-pound sledgehammer as hard anymore. But for all the smaller stuff, the taper pins on your Hitachis, your T-style pins, even press fit pins, I drive them out with this, and it works excellent every single time. That's the tool. Yeah, if you guys see any other tools on any of the videos that you want to see, you know, what they are, how they work, you know, what brand they are, what they do, if it's custom or even if it's not custom, leave a comment, ask us to check it out, and we'll send you guys something. We'll post something on that tool and us using it.